going to the Scarborough Fair?
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Remember me to the one who once lived there.
He once was a true lover of mine.
Have him make me a cambric shirt,
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
without seams nor fine needlework.
Verily a true lover of mine.
Tell him to weave it in a wood lane of sycamore.
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Gather it up in a basket of flowers.
There's he, a true lover of mine.
Are you going to the Scarborough Fair?
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Remember me to the one who once lived there.
One was a true lover of mine.
Have him wash it in yonder dry well.
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Where water ne'er sprung nor drop of rain fell.
Verily a true lover of mine.
Tell him to find me an acre of land.
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Between the sea foam and over the sand.
Verily a true lover of mine. He once was a true lover of mine. Was a true lover of mine. He once was a true lover of mine. He once was a true lover of mine.
Are you going to the Scarborough Fair?
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Remember me to the one who once lived there. Hew the land with the horn of a lamb.
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Then sow some seeds from north of the dam.
He, a true lover of mine.
Have him reap it with the sickle of leather.
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Gather it up in a bunch of heather. Are you going to the Scarborough Fair?
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Remember me to the one who once lived there.
Was a true lover of mine.
If he tells me he can't, then I'll reply.
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Let me know that at least he will try.
He, a true lover of mine.
Imposes impossible task,
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
though not more than any heart asks.
Parse was a true lover of mine.
Have you been to the Scarborough Fair?
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Remember me to the one who once lived there.
He once was a true lover of mine.
When he has done and finished his work,
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
ask him to come for his cambric shirt. Are you going to the Scarborough Fair?
Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Remember me to the one who once lived there.
He once was a true lover of mine. 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 Are you going to the Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, and rosemary and thyme.
Remember me to
true lover of